Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how you can generate fans on TikTok. I'm going to go ahead and open up the app, and as you guys can see, I have 0 followers, and I'm going to go ahead and change that by going on tikfans.online. So that's tikfans.online. You guys can see I'm typing it in right here, and this is the tool that I can use to generate some fans. So I'm going to go ahead and enter the link, and you guys can see this is the website right here. There's some live stats of other people doing generations, but we're going to go ahead and do some for ourselves. So we're going to go ahead and enter our username right here, and then we're going to select how many fans we want to generate. We're going to keep pressing that plus button until we get to 99,999, and then we're going to hit start generate. So now it's processing my request by connecting to the TikTok database so it can inject packets to get me those 99,999 fans I selected loaded onto my account. So as you guys can see, it was successful, but there are still more steps I have to do before the fans actually get to my account. I have to do human verification, so I'm going to go ahead and hit that verify now button. And the reason there's human verification is so bots don't abuse this tool and sell the fans. This way it can remain free. And all you have to do is install 2 apps from this list and follow the instructions below each app you install. So for the first app I selected was Hotspot Shield VPN. I'm going to go ahead and hit go to App Store, hit open, and start downloading this first app. And then I'm going to go back onto the list of apps and choose the second app, which is Castle Clash. And Castle Clash, the instructions were to be on the app for at least 30 seconds, and for Hotspot Shield VPN, it just told me to connect to the VPN. So I'm going to make sure I use those instructions in mind so I can complete the human verification. Alright, installation complete. Now I'm going to start with Hotspot Shield VPN. The instructions for this app were to connect to the VPN. I'm going to go ahead and hit that connect button and make sure I connect, and I'm just going to configure it. And now you guys can see here I'm connecting to the VPN, and now I'm successfully completed the instructions. So now I'm going to go ahead and make sure I do some human interactions by being on the app for at least 30 seconds. This way I can be sure the human verification will go through, and all I'm doing here is just navigating through the menus, making sure I do human interactions just to make sure I'm on the app for at least 30 seconds. And once I'm done, I can go ahead and just disconnect from the VPN. And now I've completed the first app, and now I'm on to the second app, Castle Clash. So for Castle Clash, the instructions are for me just to play the app for at least 30 seconds. So it crashed there for some reason. I'm going to reopen it. So all I have to do is just play this app for at least 30 seconds to complete the human verification. So I'm going to go ahead and start up this app, and you guys can see it has a little intro here, and then it will have a tutorial for me to play, and I'm just going to make sure I continue playing this game so I can reach that 30-second timer to successfully complete the human verification. So it's telling me to enter battle, so this is kind of like Clash of Clans, I guess. So I'm going to go ahead and just deploy some troops and destroy this base, just so I can make sure I play this game and use the intended instructions for this tutorial, and just to complete them as far as I can when I reach that 30-second timer. And it's just about 30 seconds, so I'm almost done. I'm just going to go ahead and collect some of these resources real quick, and once I'm done with that, I should be good to go. It's definitely been over 30 seconds, so I'm more than safe, but I always like to make sure I'm a little over 30 seconds just to be sure the human verification goes through successfully. And as you guys can see here, I'm just doing some upgrades and whatnot, and just to make sure I'm doing these human interactions required to complete the human verification. And now I'm just going to enter this battle, and like I said, I'm going way over 30 seconds, I know, but I always like to be safe with this human verification so I can ensure the human verification will go through, because it's better to be safe than sorry. So yeah, it's been well over 30 seconds, but I'm just going to go ahead and finish this battle real quick, and then I can go ahead and exit the app, and I will have completed the human verification. So just destroying that last statue, and boom, it says victory right here. I can go ahead and exit, and now the TikTok fans will be added into your account right after a successful verification. So I'm going to go ahead and open up the app, and you guys saw previously I had 0 followers, but that's going to change. I'm going to get that 99,999 loaded into my account. So we're going to go ahead and look at our fans, and you guys will see the amount of fans that I selected are now being loaded right into my account. And you guys can see they're just increasing, and now I have 99,999. So it was very simple. Just make sure you follow the instructions of this video very carefully, and you do the human verification, and then you will get the fans loaded into your account. So thank you guys for watching, and have a good one.